Now that you've chosen your Superfeet color and the appropriate size that fits your foot, we're going to show you how to properly trim the Superfeet insole. Inside the shoe, there will be a factory insole. Remove this factory insole, and this is what we're going to use as our pattern to properly trace the Superfeet. Position the factory insole on top of the Superfeet insole, lining up the heel, keeping it centered, and just push down slightly. Now line up the forefoot, the inside edge of the factory insole to the inside edge of the Superfeet insole. We can now take a pen and trace the factory insole to the Superfeet product. Once it's traced, you now have a line that you can follow for your trimming. Now that the product's been trimmed, we're ready to place it in the shoe. Support the product with your fingers underneath and slide it into the shoe so the product does not curl up in the toe area. Position it in the shoe and push it down. You can see how easily it fits in the shoe from the heel to the toe. It's important that you reach inside and you make sure that the product can wiggle a little bit from the front to the back. It's very important that the Superfeet insole is independent of the shoe. If you cannot wiggle the Superfeet product in the shoe, it's too long, you're going to need to pull it out and trim a little bit more off the front of the Superfeet product. So trim it and then try it, trim it and try it until you get the proper amount of motion of the Superfeet inside the shoe. We always want a little bit of that wiggle room for every shoe, every day.